this is me, Anushka Sen, and I'm with Shubhojit. And I had a great conversation, very candid, very honest, and we have spoken about so many things. Please, I really hope that you watch it and subscribe to his channel and just give it a lot of love like you do.
Now we want to come to a fun segment before we quickly wrap this up. तो मेरे पास कुछ 12 questions है and they are very much related to your life.
Okay.
So you got to ask them very quickly, answer them very quickly. हाँ.
Okay.
So the first thing is one fashion statement in today's time जो तुमको समझ नहीं आता कि लोग क्यों करते हैं.
क्यों करते हैं?
हाँ.
यार कर रहे हैं, करने दो ना, उनकी लाइफ है. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
हाँ.
मैं देखती हूँ कि
But say for example, let me put it this way: one fashion statement which perhaps is trending, but you will never adopt.
I will never adopt. See, I think I've said this before also. Like, there are sometimes blazers with like shoulder pads which make your shoulders like even broader. मेरे पे नहीं अच्छा लगता. Some people look incredible.
Yeah.
I think maybe somebody who's like is taller or broader.
A little broader.
Yeah, maybe
wise
for
and
them
all.
it work. For me, it's very important to know your body type. So मेरे body type में नहीं work करता. मेरे को अजीब लगता है because I'm petite as a person. Doesn't work for me.
Okay, fair enough. One thing that you feel is an overrated concept in relationships today.
Overrated concepts. I will overrated concept. Wait, let me think.
Got a
about
thinking shoes on, huh?
overrated concept when it comes to dating. I think just making the relationship public or private, both are overrated because everybody is stressing out a lot. Like they're like नहीं public हो गया तो ये हो जाएगा, public हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा, या private जो रख रहे हैं तो like it's like both of them are overrated concept. I feel you should just do you. Like don't follow a trend or don't follow like हाँ इन्होंने private रखा है तो हम भी private.
हमको भी करना चाहिए.
If you think that keeping private is better for you, you do that. Don't go with the trends. I think that is overrated. Underrated,
understand your situation.
Yeah, underrated is old school love. Man, this whole app thing is just not happening for me. I don't like that concept. It's overrated. This is
तुम्हारे
overrated.
fake accounts बनते होंगे ना? I'm pretty sure.
हाँ, oh my god, guys, मैं नहीं हूँ dating apps में. कोई और अनुष्का सेन है वो. मैं नहीं हूँ. I do not believe in dating apps. I'm sorry. I'm Gen Z. I do not believe that's a overrated concept.
Bang on, huh? So if you have matched with Anushka Sen with this photo, please
It's
understand
not
कि
Anushka Sen.
तुम जब वो कैफे या रेस्टोरेंट में पहुंच जाओगे तो you will not see her, कोई और ही
It's
दिखेगा.
gonna be Sanushka N.
हाँ, Sanushka N. तो अगर if you are ready for that तभी करना, वरना मैच मत करना, ठीक है?
Yeah, it's not me. Not
Quickly moving on to the next question. One thing that you love the most about yourself, and one thing that you perhaps want to change.
One thing I love about myself is discipline and the passion that I have, workaholic energy that I have. One thing I want to change is workaholic से जो stress हो रहा है, वो stress मुझे थोड़ा कम करना है. And my patience level used to be 0. Now it's at like 20%. I would love for it to be like 50%.
It's quite funny कि जितने भी चीजों के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, we have already I think touched base upon everything.
Yeah. So you
today.
know. So then you know that I'm not lying. It's honestly true.
It's all validated.
See,
with
I
your
told you
statements.
24/7 is work only. What I want to change is about work.
नहीं, fair enough. Okay, मुझे ये बताओ, if there's a biopic ever made on you, maybe like say 20 years, 30 years down the line, and उसका नाम अगर होता है The Legend of Anushka Sen, ठीक है? I'm giving you a very hypothetical situation.
Legend of
Anushka Sen. अगर होता है तो, because you never know what future holds for you, right? And if you're working in that direction, there's no reason to not believe कि वैसा हो सकता है, right? So अगर होता है eventually down the line, what would you want?
मैं rapid fire कर रही हूँ. 10 मिनट. हाँ.
So this is the kind of fandom. जब open cafes में shoot करते हो, fans आते हैं यहाँ पे, so that was a distraction, but then we always respect them as well.
Yeah.
मुझे बताओ कि one thing that you, हाँ, जो मैंने पूछा exactly कि अगर biopic होता है तुम्हारे नाम पे, what would you eventually want people to know you or remember you for?
For the person that I am, craft. So you can see with actors, you see the craft, but you don't see the journey, you don't see the hard work, and you don't see the personality. So people who know me very closely, they know about me as a person. I would love for people to know me how I am as a personality. Trust me, I am really funny.
वो तो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत पता है, and I think her
And I'm
closer
very
friends know it even better.
Yeah, so the all heart part I would want people to know.
Fair enough. You tell me who's your favorite cricketer? I think धोनी,
हाँ.
MS धोनी के अलावा अभी ऐसे पूछना पड़ेगा मुझे, because धोनी तो है ही
Virat Kohli.
विराट कोहली.
I really want him to also like win. You know, like he's had his couple of wins and he's done incredible. But I am just a very big fan of Virat Kohli because I think discipline, passion, it's incredible. He's also such a family-oriented person. I really look up to him. I just want him to do even better than he is right now because he's legendary. So I love
कुछ
him.
कुछ सक्सेसफुल लोगों का वो जो कॉमन क्राइटेरिया है ना, वो सब में होता है. I've also observed that
See?
कि इंसान वाइज अलग हो सकते हैं, बट certain
Major-
characteristics that you mentioned है, डिसिप्लिन, ये सब हर किसी में कॉमन
See,
होता है, तब जाके तुम बनते हो.
Ronaldo, Mahi, Virat Kohli, they all have this in common.
These
the
traits are
discipline,
common.
the kind of passion that they had. Even new players who are coming up, they're
Yeah.
also doing great. But Virat Kohli is always going to be my
I
favorite.
think that these are the things. एक concept है success, एक another concept is super success. I think that is what defines the line between success and super success,
Like
right?
I've seen Beckham's the thing on Netflix, the autobiography
Yeah.
where he's talking about his journey and see the clarity he had at the age of like 17, 18. Even when it came to Victoria, like he was like, I want to marry this girl or I want to succeed in my sport. That clarity is just inspires me a lot. So these people I really look up to.
But it's lovely, huh? Beckham had that clarity at 17. Our girl had that clarity at 13, huh? So I think उसको तो
Not
next
the
बढ़ने
marriage part yet.
वो हम लोग
I
देखेंगे.
still don't know where my
उनका
Victoria
जब भी शादी होगा तो वो जो वहाँ पे शादी का जो एंकर होगा वो मैं ही होऊंगा वहाँ पे, and we'll have a huge celebration as well.
हाँ.
अब ये talking
हमने
about
शादी
future.
की बात कर ली है, वो जो क्लैरिटी बेकन की थी कि हाँ दिस इज विक्टोरिया एंड आई
Yeah.
एम वेयर इज दैट बॉय
There are, जिसे ढूंढता हूँ मैं हर कहीं, वो गाना बैकग्राउंड में बज रहा है. Okay, one actor with whom you want to manifest a movie.
ईशान खट्टर. Yeah, I've had a dream also. So I really think that I would love to. Ishan Khattar would be one. Manoj Bajpayee sir would be two.
अरे वाह.
Shahrukh sir would be three.
ईशान के साथ मेरा ये नहीं, but I think I'll send this clip to Manoj sir and I'll tell you his reaction.
Manoj sir is
100% will be. I think he will also be very happy to. You know, मैं भेजूंगा उनको, छोटा सा क्लिप करके उनको भेजूंगा.
I
And
love
le-
Manoj sir.
and let's
Manoj
hope
sir,
you-
I have to say, I'm a huge fan.
100%. ये भी clipping जाएगा सर आपके पास. He's also been very kind. He has also supported in
Yeah.
multiple ways. So I think
He's
kudos to him.
incredible.
He's incredible. Absolutely. You know, मैं थोड़ा distracted होता, मेरे
We are
में
both
बहुत ज्यादा
prime
gratitude
people,
है.
but we are both prime people. Family man and the most together.
Yeah, prime people it is. You know, मुझे बताओ, what is that one thing that scares Anushka Sen the most?
Scares, fear of unknown.
Fear of
That
unknown.
will be if I know the problem, I'll find a solution. But fear of unknown just scares me a lot.
Okay, fair enough. What is a deal breaker for you in relationships?
Obviously, dishonesty.
Infidelity.
Dishonesty is just not acceptable at all. If you cheat once, then you're just a cheater.
Once a
forever.
cheater, always a cheater. माफ मत किया करो, ज्यादा दिलदार मत बनो. अगर किसी ने कुछ गलत किया है तो उसको नोट करो और
नहीं, फिर वो
निकालो.
दिलदार बनना नहीं है, फिर वो बेवकूफ बनना होता है. So don't.
You got the word. It's B. Okay. Second last question. One thing that you check सबसे पहले after waking up.
If I say that it's not my phone, then I'll be a liar. And I just said I don't like dishonesty, so it's my phone. Sadly,
So, what is that first tab? WhatsApp, Instagram, ये सब में ये होता है फिर?
no. It would be WhatsApp probably because usually I wake up to texts from people. So I'm just like, okay, who are, and it's mostly work related.
Work
It's
related.
not, I'm not waking up to like.
Pretty good morning, beautiful texts. Unfortunately not.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, but then also sometimes from the ones perhaps from whom she doesn't want or expect those texts.
Yeah.
चलो वो zone अलग रखते हैं. Last question. You're a very ambitious girl and I want to know कि South Korea में हो गया. What is perhaps that one next international zone that you are perhaps targeting कि यार यहाँ पे भी मैं अच्छा काम करूँ, because globally there's so much of good work happening, right? So what is that one space that you want?
See, with Prime, what happened when I did this show, they said that it's going to be available in like 240 countries and territories. So that kind of opened my mind that okay, if I can reach South Korea, Hollywood has always been subconsciously in my mind because Priyanka Chopra ma'am is my biggest inspiration. So I would love to follow in her footsteps like that. So yeah, definitely there because I just want to take India to the next level. even if I can contribute 5%, no, I would just be very happy. So I would love to be a part of a film somewhere, or something that happens in America, or it's a Bollywood Hollywood collaboration. I would be so epic.
Fantastic. And like I said, सबसे पहले मैंने इंटरव्यू चालू ही किया था on a Thanksgiving note, and I think I have to end it as well on a Thanksgiving note because she's very busy and she's very busy, and the most important thing is that कि time निकालना. I think the most precious thing that you can give to anybody in today's time is time. तो उन्होंने अगर अपना टाइम मुझे गिफ्ट किया है, then मैं उनके लिए थोड़ा सा एक चीज लेके आया हूँ as a
Oh my
gift.
God,
So this is the kind of
sweet.
surprise that I was talking. अभी खोल के देखो, now you'll understand why I related with your outfit.
Oh my God, you didn't.
अभी बोलो ये good surprise है कि bad
This
surprise?
is a great surprise. Oh my God, I'm gonna wear it like this week only.
I want to see you wearing this very
This
soon.
is so pretty. Let me see this nicely
cute.
and show everybody. Such a sweet.
How
Oh
sweet.
wow, such a sweet gesture.
So this is just my way of thanking somebody who has been there as a support right from the beginning in terms of good wishes से लेके a lot of other things, and you know, जैसा कि I believe तुमने भी कहीं ना कहीं जिंदगी में ऐसा मतलब देखा होगा कि जब सक्सेसफुल बन जाते हो कोई चीज को लेके, a lot of people come, but then when you start growing, the people who are with you at that point of time, they are the ones who matter the most. And as far as I think the celebrity and public figure space is concerned, I won't say कि we are the best of friends, but there's always that connection because of which I always feel कि उसका जो success है, that's my personal success, and I'm sure it's going to be the same way for her as well, where
Absolutely.
I perhaps eventually grow that way.
Absolutely.
And we'll talk about this day. We had this kick-ass podcast. We discussed so many things, and you know, I think it's a little emotional for me as well.
I know.
But thank you so much for coming. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for this. Thank you for this podcast. I
Thank you so
hope that what you said in the future, we're going to discuss this day again.
Absolutely. And guys, like I said, this was Anushka for you all. One of the most successful, I believe, Gen Z inspirations and icons that you can have in today's time. And what I love is that सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, इंडिया के बाहर भी she is equally focusing and slaying. I hope that continues for her. A lot of people who wanted that podcast with Anushka to happen, finally it has happened. Do drop in your comments below, and I would love to see what you all have to say. And बस इसी तरह इसको support करते रहो. That is the most important thing that she would want, I would want, because तुम्हारे support से she'll feed off that good energy and work even harder. So guys, thank you so much. That's a wrap on the Sunny G show. I'll see you all very soon with another interesting episode, another interesting guest. Very soon. That's a wrap. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you.
Thank you.